Hi families. So let's go over the homework for today. I already gave an example for number 1, so we'll do just a few of these and then we'll move on to the bottom part. So for number 1, we saw that our denominator was the one missing. This time it's our denominator in the first fraction. So instead of multiplying like we did over here, we're going to be dividing because it's going in the opposite direction and our number is getting smaller. So first off, if I go from 3 to 1, what do I have to divide 3 by to get 1? That would be 3. Whatever we do at the top, we also do at the bottom. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And if I was to erase all that, 1/2 is equal to 3/6. Let's do the next one together. Again, my denominator is the one missing from the first fraction. So I'm going to draw an arrow pointing from 5 going to 1. Now, if I was to divide 5 divided by what to get 1, what would I have to divide by? 5. So whatever we do at the top, we also do at the bottom. So 40 divided by 5 equals 8. All right, let's do one more. This time it's my denominator, but our numbers are getting bigger. So let's go the opposite direction again. This time let's start at 27 and go to 9. And because that number is getting smaller, we have to divide. 27 divided by what equals 9? 27 divided by 3. You can also do it the opposite direction by going 9 times what equals 27? Well, 9 times 3. So we could do multiplication or division. Blank times 3 equals 33. Or we could do division. 33 divided by 3 equals what? Either way, your answer should be 11. So that's the first parts of our homework. Here is our second part. It says, mark the number lines so that the denominator matches the equal parts. Then draw a dot where the fraction would be on the number line. So here's my example number line. It goes from 0 to 10. But if I take a look at this mixed number, I see that my denominator in the fraction is a 3. That means between each number, I should have 3 parts. So between 0 and 1, I should have 3 parts. 1, so draw a line here. 2, another line here, and 3. I don't have to draw another line there because there's already one for the whole number. So I can erase these spaces. So as you could see, I have 3 spaces between each number. And what I do is I just make 3 spaces between each number for the whole number line. And it doesn't have to be perfect, especially if you could just tell that there's 3 parts between each whole number. Now I have to mark 5 2/3 onto the number line. Well, I know that 5 is my whole number, so I will go all the way to 5, and it says 5 2/3. Well, over here, is 5, and this first line is 5 1/3. This second one is 5 2/3, which makes 6 5 3/3. But obviously that's not what we're marking. I need 5 2/3. So right here. This is where my dot should be. Okay, 5 2/3. Now I'm not going to help you find the dot for this next number line, but I will help you with marking the number line. So over here we have 7 1/4. What is our denominator in this mixed number? That's right, it's 4. That means how many parts should we have between each whole number? How many spaces should we have in between each number? We should have 4 spaces. So let me count 4 spaces. 1 line here. 2, 1 line here. 3, 1 line here. And 4. I don't have to draw a line here because there's already 1 for the whole number. So that means I should have 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, between each line, between each number or whole number. 1, line here, 2, line here, 3, and line there, 4. So 4 spaces between each whole number. Once you've done that, can you find where 7 1/4 would go on the number line?